Now guys, to get started with the Wix website creation, obviously you need a Wix account. So that is free and this is very easy to access. All you have to do is just head over to Google and write here Wix like this, and you will be presented with www.wix.com. This is the official website to create a free website today, as you can see. So let's click on it. And it will present you a beautiful screen where it shows you how you can create a website without limits. And this is a little blue button right here which says get started. And if you check out the layout of this website or design of this website, it's simply beautiful. It shows you how many options you have to create a professional website with just few clicks. And it has explained all the beautiful things that you can do in this particular platform. So you will be presented with, if you want to sign in with the Wix.com, you have the option to sign in with Google as well. But let's explore these options later on. Let's scroll up and let's click on this blue button right here, which says get started. So let's click on that. And again, you will be presented with the login screen where if you want to just continue with the Google, you can do that. And if you want to use an email or password for your professional use or for your company email, you can type in here as well. But let's just continue with Google for now. And let me choose one Gmail ID. Let's say this one. And let's click on continue. So once you click on that and you proceed further, it will ask you that who are you creating this website for. So if you are creating for a client or you are a freelancer, you can tick here. Otherwise, if you just want to practice or just want to create it yourself and for your business or friend, you can just tick that and click continue. And this will open up this one that you can bring your ideas to life with AI, tell us about the site you're creating, and get personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So that's pretty amazing, guys. They have implemented the AI. You can just start what your website is about. You can just start the chat and write about it. So for example, my business is a co-working space. So just you can start chat and write about it. But otherwise, if you want to set up all by yourself, just click on setup without a chat. Now here it will ask you again what type of website that you want to create, whether it's an online store, portfolio, blog, and consultant, restaurant, whatever. But I believe all of you are from different backgrounds and want the website for different purposes. So we will not specify what type of website do you want to create. We want to create all by ourselves from the scratch. So let's skip this part. From the corner right here, you can click on the skip button right here. And it will prepare the dashboard for you. Let me just turn it to the full screen so that you can see and experience it properly. And now it is asking you what would you like to call your website. Right now, I don't have any website name in my mind. So you can just skip this part so that we can quickly see the dashboard of it. What are the goals for this site? You want to sell products, offer services, promote a business, or what? We can also skip this part, Wix apps, if you want to give your site more functionality. Let's skip all of these so that we can quickly continue to the dashboard, and we create all by ourselves. So it is now loading a dashboard, and you can now see that right now we are on the setup page, but if we click on the home tab, we will get something like this of your activity feeds and all. And here, if we go back to the setup tab, right now we are on your update your site type area. You can just update it again, and you can just specify all that we have skipped before. You can connect to a custom domain. You can design your website, just start designing from here, and you can get found on Google. These are some additional options. So this is pretty much it. This is how you can create a Wix account and just head over to this dashboard. So I want you to follow each step video by video. So after this video end, I want you to create account of your own and bring it to this dashboard so that you can follow along as I'm showing you in this course.